Okay guys, it's the EdShed. It's Wednesday. It's early morning for me. It's actually before 9 o'clock, I believe. Anyway, I need to look at the phone. But anyway, wherever the bloody phone is. Anyway, so this is a sort of a strange one because I've got to get some cars that are in a storage and I've got to get them back. I haven't got everything to go. They're too big for me to go anywhere else with them, and they're sort of broached and said really Graham and I could put them down there, so I'm going to have to bring them back here and I'm going to have to sell them. So they are going to be obviously picked up on the old transporter, which developed that clutch problem, but it seems to be okay. Touch wood at the moment. So we'll be going out in the old transporter and we'll be bringing back hopefully 2 of them. If I can get both of them, there's 3 cars there plus a lot of bits, and if I can get the 3 cars and some of the bits, I'll be doing bloody well. Obviously we won't be able to swing a cat in the garden, but we'll cross that road as we come to it. Anyway, so just like to show you what's been going on here. I say sort of show you there that right, bonnet louvers are in and are being, as you can see, pretty good. My right hand man has been rubbing them down. We've sort of done them, so that's it. They're all the holes are welded up. They're going to be welded up. It's getting the chrome strip and it's going to get a leaper and that hole's gone. And then once I get that, I can grind the top of this and sort that. But as you can see, even though the doors were steel, my God, they are out of shape. And he's been up here like a little soldier with his 2 foot long bloody ribbon paper. We've got, as you know, the back one done. I got all those finished, you know, so this just needs priming. I need to mix up the 2-pack primer. I need to do the primer best like, but I want to make it worthwhile. I don't want to just be doing 1 bit or 2 bits. So for the minute, I'm going to have to say, yeah, that's come on, that's done. No closer than anything else, but most of the grinding welding and the pulling out and the door seal rubbers is all sorted. So I did actually get it ready for moving to the next shed, which is the production line, and then some of those coming back. But obviously these other things that I've got to get today have sort of become, how do you put it, they become urgent, so I haven't got a lot of choice. So for the minute I'll say that she's coming on, and it's just a pain. It's just this bodywork. It's just, you know, as they say, that they take a long time, and he works during the day, so when he comes home at night, it's he's a good kid. He really is good. He gets in there and he has a go, and he can do it, which is something that obviously I can't, or I can, but I can't. I can, but I can't. I don't want to anyway. So I'll rather do the sort of difficult stuff like the engines and the building, the welding and grinding. If he don't mind doing the paint, then gradually they come together, and Lee can do the electrical and obviously some of the bits and pieces, fit and finish and carpeting, and I'll do the headlining, and Clive do some windscreens, and yeah, and we're going to go with steel wheels. I'm not going to do with wires on this. I don't think I'm going to go with wires. I'm going to go with the Coombs spats, and I'm going to go with possibly those alloys that you saw. If not that set of alloys, then I'll have another set of alloys, but it's going to have alloy wheels. Only just give it a try, see whether I like it or not. If I don't like it, I can always change it. But as I said, it's a lot. It's a lot of work. And with the weather, with cold last night, this was not wanting to dry off very quick. So it was taking a bit longer than normal. So, but yeah, I mean, I can't say that it hasn't come on pretty well considering. And I'm happy with that bonnet. I just wish the doors had come out as good as well. I didn't do these doors, so you can't blame me. Those doors are galvanised. I messed up the rear one. So we're only really that door and that door away from being ready to and obviously mix, because the depth of the paint on here is pretty bad, so we're going to grind a square out which we can then fill with 2-pack paint and hopefully build the paint back up so it doesn't look like the louvers are dropping down in, but we'll see. As I said, that's it, nothing else much to report. But yeah, so for now we're going to hopefully keep at what we're doing, and possibly the answer is going to be that when that is sort of, I'm wanting to put it next door, but I haven't got enough light. If I put it next door without the light, he's still going to want to do these panels in here. So in other words, I'm going to might as well leave it in here for the minute, and we'll worry about that. And I think we'll end up painting the 2-pack in here, to be honest. So I just, anyway, cover the welder up and do it. But I am going to try and get that as my spray shot next door. I have started, and I have had the Aston Martin out. You didn't see it, but I did take it out, and I have driven it. It started its first bleeding time, and she drove great. But I've ordered a servo for the brakes. I'm going to put. I haven't got servo on them, but I'm going to put a servo on boost when I sort out that rear leak, which I've got, and I've got the pads coming. So hopefully that'll be a video. And like I said, you might get some more videos there of these other things, which you will. And you can see whether you're any interested in buying them. So for the minute, like, subscribe, follow us about, and thanks for any comments. Talk to you soon. Bye.